I just want to take a couple of minutes here today and talk to you about this awesome new product called Bandit. It truly is a DIY product. You can do it completely yourself, and it is the new duct tape. It can be used on almost anything. What we like about Bandit is it binds small granules or sand together, and this can be used in so many different applications. We like to use it for weed control around fences and gates, around pilings and pillars. We also use it for soil erosion, a great place to have the nice look of rock and no maintenance afterwards. The other thing that we like to use Bandit for is to fix potholes. Potholes can be on asphalt or roadways, any of those type of things. It is an amazing product and you're going to want to try it. Give us a call today if you're looking to learn more about Bandit and what it can do for you.